To find a case for this project, you want to go to the SCOTUS Blog website at www.scotusblog.com. SCOTUS stands for Supreme Court of the United States. So I'm going to click on that site, and that will bring you to all of the information about what's going on in the Supreme Court now. At the top, if you click this Merit Cases button, you'll see all the cases listed for each term. Now, you should try to use the term, kind of the second to last one. If you use the most current term, October term 2016, many of the cases you'll notice, if you click on the case, the opinion says TBD, to be determined, which means it still has not been posted. While arguments are often heard earlier, it can take a little while, a couple of months, before an opinion's released, and you will need a published opinion in order to complete this project. So anything from the 2015 term, going back, about 5 years, try to stay within 5 years, would work for this project. And so here, this pulls up a summary of all the different cases. And so you can do a search by doing Command F on a Mac or Control F on a PC. And you can look for topics that are interesting to you that are related to our class. So for example, here, if you have an interest in criminal law, I'm looking through criminal topics in these cases. Another example would be if you're interested in employment law. Here, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission popping up is a good chance to learn more about employment law issues. So it's a good, easy way to find different cases. Once you find a case that's interesting to you, you just want to click on the case name. And here you'll see the opinion posted. The syllabus is usually a quick summary of the opinion. And otherwise, the opinions can be very long. In this instance, we're looking at an opinion that's only about 10 pages, but often they're even longer. So this is a good starting point. You'll notice it helps walk through all the differing opinions. We see information about Sotomayor's dissent. And you should be able to find in the opinion the majority opinion, and if it's not unanimous, the dissent. And then either way, even if it's unanimous, there's often what's called a concurrence, which means that they agree with the outcome of the case, but possibly don't agree with the reasoning. And so this case being posted on the site is useful, but you also want to, once you find your case, consider looking for articles in Google. There's often a lot of articles about the case listed, about how people feel about it, or you can look through various sites that help summarize the case. For example, Oyez is a really popular one. FindLaw is also very popular, as well as casebriefs.com. And so in Oyez, I can actually type in the name of the case, and a summary will pop up, depending on the case that it is, which will help give you more information. And so here I'm going to just look at a quick summary of the Kansas versus Carr case. And so you'll see here it summarizes the facts of the case, the question, and then the conclusion. And you'll notice here it speaks to the majority opinion and the dissent. And again, you should always look to see if there's a concurrence and note if there's not one in your project. So I hope that helps you in finding a case that interests you, and I look forward to reading your projects.